Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen, and I'm still out here doing the month of Black History Month, checking out a few black businesses, maybe restaurants, different places like that. So now I'm here in the city of Milwaukee, and I met the owner of this boutique a few months ago in the fall, as I have a photo booth, and I was at an event with my photo booth. It was her friend's birthday party, and she gave me her card for her boutique place. And let me tell you guys, it's called Bougie Berries Desserts Boutique, and let me just tell you a little bit about what they kind of specialize in. It says right here that Bougie Berries is a dessert boutique located at 7157 West Burleigh Avenue in the city of Milwaukee, and it says they offer a large assortment of gourmet desserts and handheld dessert items. It says no cakes. They do offer stuff like, you know, apples, strawberries, cupcakes, caramel apples, pretzels, popcorn, dessert jars, and more. And it says they also offer kind of catering for any event, as well as they have like some stands and linens and like displays and stuff like that. They also have like cupcakes and things like that. So this will be my second time coming in here. I came in here for the first time, I want to say a little over, maybe back in December. I came in here and I tried some banana pudding. I'm telling you, the banana pudding was good. It's only me. As well as I had some cheesecake, and what they do is you can buy the cheesecake, but then they had the toppings on the side, and they'll add the toppings right on top of the cheesecake. So I ended up getting some red velvet cheesecake, and normally I don't even like eat red velvet and stuff like that, but I just said, well, let me try it out. I eat cheesecake. I said, let me try out some red velvet cheesecake for the one time, and I did. So let's go ahead and go inside and check it out. Hopefully they'll let me film in here and you guys can see what I order. I already know I want some cheesecake and I want some banana pudding, but I know you got to have a mask on, because when I came a month ago, they made sure they wasn't opening the door unless you had on this mask. Let's check it out. Okay, so they got gourmet cupcakes. They got the berries down here. How nice those berries look.
You have the patience of a saint also. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. Then they got the toppings right here if you get the cheesecake. What all toppings do you have for the cheesecake?
We're actually out of some of them there. We have some Georgia peach, heat bar, toffee, brownie, double fudge, red velvet.
Alright.
Options are endless. We also do different syrups on them should you choose.
Okay. got my banana pudding right here. About to dig into this banana pudding. Got this wine right. And like I was saying, y'all, I've had this banana pudding before, and this banana pudding is delicious, you guys. It's delicious. If you like banana pudding and you're in Milwaukee, you can go right there on Burleigh near Lisbon. Get you some of this good banana pudding. Get you some gourmet strawberries, apples, cupcakes, big pretzels, cheesecake, and you can get some of this banana pudding. And so, if you've made it this far in the video, evidently you like what you've been seeing or what you've been hearing on this channel here. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. If this is your first time, you made it this far in the video, you're not subscribed yet, or you've been on the channel watching stuff, go ahead, just hit the subscribe button. That way you'll be able to stay up to date each time I come out with a new video. Hit the like button down below. Leave me a comment down below, and then share this video with somebody else out there that may be coming to the Milwaukee area or that's in the Milwaukee area that don't know about Bougie Berries. Let's support one another, and let's support small businesses. Let's support minority businesses. Until next time, you guys, peace out.